Subscribe for more videos. Welcome. I'm Dr. Kamran Sandhu from Business Management and Research channel. In this video, you will learn what is total quality management, benefits, and example. Total quality management is a management paradigm based on the notion that an organization's long-term success can be achieved by having all of its members, from entry-level employees to top executives, focus on increasing quality and, as a result, delivering customer satisfaction. TQM requires organizations to focus on continuous improvement or Kaizen. It focuses on process improvements over the long run rather than simply emphasizing short term financial gains. Benefits of total quality management. One of the TQM concepts is that products and services be created correctly the first time. This implies lesser flaws are shipped, resulting in fewer product recalls, future customer support costs, and product fixes. Customer satisfaction rises as a result of high quality items that suit their needs. Increased market share, revenue growth via upsell, and word of mouth marketing launched by customers can all result from high customer satisfaction. Companies save money on customer assistance, product replacements, field service, and the manufacture of product fixes as a result of fewer product defects. Cost reductions trickle down to bottom line, boosting profit margins. PQM practicing organizations cultivate and promote fundamental principles centered on quality management and continual improvement. From hiring to internal processes to product creation, the TQM philosophy pervades all elements of an organization. Example of TQM. Automobile manufacturer Toyota is one example of TQM. The adoption of TQM and Kaizen at Toyota led to higher product and work quality at all levels of the organization. Toyota adopted a related practice called Statistical Quality Control (SQC) in 1949. In 1951, Toyota launched the Creative Idea Suggestion System, which was based on a suggestion system used at Ford. In 1965, Toyota was awarded the Deming Application Prize for major advances in quality improvement. In 1994, the Toyota Group Executive TQM training course was established, providing TQM training for new executives. Toyota TQM initiatives continue to the current day. In 2011, Toyota announced that more than 40 million suggestions to date were generated by the Creative Idea Suggestion System. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Best of luck.